Maya puna bukurum jari ai dan chei mangang Sunday like takpi mayam ai hojik se lamnai chalo gi maya bai bi mai bil singa wakat mi fa ma yauzari akhoi bu tamthi na haliba cookie narco terrorist singbo free thaba akhoi bu hat patana tana makak ta aga thongduna chara ba fawbada makhoi free tharaga central force na makhoi bu khula yangna thadok thaga akhoi gi ibung ipa singbo akhoi bu ngakpi senbi ba ibung ipa singbu na tana faba se ai yamna nuai jade auna ai wafam kharadang thamjage india gi miyam pumbada sin thungnaba मैं पुनः मगना शेयर तो बिना हाजरी। आप सबसे पहले ये देखिए, ये है कुकीज़ और काउंसिल का प्रेसिडेंट, आपको ये दिख रहा है, और ये है मासूम लोग नगा कम्युनिटी के 6 मासूम आदमी, उन्होंने टुकड़े करके उन्हें मारा, फिर उसके बाद उन्हें पकाकर उन्हीं बीवियों को खिलाया। ये तो ह्यूमैनिटी ग्राउंड के एकदम पार जा चुका है ना। अब तक हमारे इंडिया के गवर्नमेंट या किसी ने भी मणिपुर की गवर्नमेंट किसी ने अब तक कोई भी एक्शन नहीं लिया। हमें हैरानी है कि अपने ही स्टेट को कैसे आप इस तरह से ठुकरा सकते हैं। पता है, इनको कई दिन टॉर्चर करने के बाद बेरहमी से मार दिया, फिर उन पकाकर अब टुकड़े करके पका दिए, फिर अपनी बीवियों को खिलाया, कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया। अब ये वाला देखिए, ये है 2 मासूम टीनेजर्स। मेरे लिए ये एक दीदी और एक भैया है। इन्हें बेरहमी से मार दिया, कितने दिन इन्हें टॉर्चर किए। ये सिर्फ घूमने गए थे, इन्हें पकड़ कर टॉर्चर करके बुरी तरह मार दिया, उन्हें भी जस्टिस नहीं मिला, कोई एक्शन नहीं लिए गए। और ये भी देखिए, a whole family and a whole innocent family was destroyed because of cookie narco terrorists. And any action wasn't taken up. Why? We wonder why you betrayed your own state. And you know, you are giving freedom to those cookie narco terrorists who killed them severely. Not only this, there's a lots of the people, countless victims in Manipur that they troll them. Cookie narco terrorists not only troll on Maitai, even on Naga. They capture them, they catch them, they kidnap them, and they torture. They kill them severely after torturing them for days, for hours. And why still silent? I wonder why still silent. We want justice for all them. We want justice, not some nonsense. We are tired of your nonsense, you should better know that. And our brothers of Arambai Tengol, they try to protect us from this torture, from this injustice. But your central force, your security forces just catch them and they torture them. What's wrong with your brain? We are tired, and we all mothers, were gathered here for our brothers. They are gathered for their sons. Their only biological son isn't their own. The whole Manipur, every daughter and son of Manipur are their son and daughters. So they are gathered here. They have work, they have their chores, they have to take care of their family, but they are here for our brothers. Our brothers are helping your Manipur government to save the Manipuris and other communities from these cookie narco terrorists. And you are catching them like some fishes in a pond and just torturing them without any reason. You should better know that justice is the most important thing. And we want that, not your nonsense. We are tired. Thank you.